So first, like, what made you want to sell? Because if you're having a 6, 7 figure business, it's producing good money every month. What made you want to sell it? Because like it's a cash cow sort of machine, especially if you've brought it to a level where it's just working, growing, and it's a healthy business. What makes you want to sell it then?
Yeah, good, great question. So that's the most common question that I get, I think, from not Amazon sellers, because they're not sure why selling. So you mentioned it's a cash cow business, but it's not really. It's an inventory business. An inventory business means that you, on the paper, I could make 100 or 120,000 a month in profit on the chart, but I don't see that money. In order to grow and sustain these numbers, I had to keep pouring that money into buying more inventory, or you always have that fear. You have those numbers, you make 50,000 or 60,000 profit, you have that fear of losing it. And I think every Amazon seller have it. And because you have that fear, you always want to keep launch new products, because Amazon products have a shelf life. So they will, let's say you make 50,000 today, it's not going to stay forever. You always have to think about the future and adding more products. And in order to add more products, you need to keep investing that money. So it's not that it's a passive, or a business that don't require you to keep investing and you see that money. I didn't see that money. Yeah, I was, if you make 100,000, you can take 10 or 20 or 30,000, but it was a scary thing for me. I felt that, Amazon kind of holding all my eggs in kind of one basket, and that basket was Amazon. So I wanted to really relieve that sense of fear for myself, and that was the main reason why I wanted to sell, to be honest. It's not
Makes
that it
sense.
wasn't a good business, it just was that my personal fear of losing it all.
Yeah, makes sense, man. Like it's inventory-based business. You're right. We were having a call the other day, and I was sharing with you, like, my affiliate business and all that, and it's totally different. I love both of them. I love selling on Amazon, and I love the affiliate side of things. But on the affiliate side of things, I don't have inventory, so that's I can create a lot of content. I can not create content. The cash flow will, I guess, continue coming if you build it in a specific way. So yeah, I mean, inventory-based business. It's not easy. It's not easy even on your mind in a way. If even if you let it go, like still, it's like it's there. You gotta buy the inventory. Even if you're making good money, still like you gotta buy more inventory because it's growing. And so kind of you still like giving back to the business a lot, which is fine. So you said like that was one of the things that made you kind of start thinking about it and then taking action.